Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a Wi-Fi hotspot on Android. To begin, open your phone's settings menu. From there, navigate to Network and Internet or Connections, depending on your device. Next, select Hotspot and Tethering, and then tap on Wi-Fi hotspot. Finally, toggle the Wi-Fi hotspot switch to the on position to activate it. This will make your phone's internet connection available to other devices. Now that your hotspot is active, let's customize its settings for better security and ease of use. Tap on Hotspot Name to change the network's identifier to something memorable. It's crucial to choose a strong password under Security or Hotspot Password, ideally using WPA2 Personal for optimal protection. You can also set a data limit, perhaps 5 GB, to manage your mobile data consumption effectively. With your hotspot configured, connecting other devices is straightforward. On the device you wish to connect, open its Wi-Fi settings. You'll then see a list of available networks. Locate your Android hotspot's name, also known as the SSID, among them. Tap on it, and when prompted, enter the password you previously set for your hotspot. Confirm the connection, and you're ready to share your internet access. To ensure a smooth experience, remember a few key tips. Always monitor your data usage to avoid unexpected overage charges from your carrier. Keep your Android phone charged, as using the hotspot can drain the battery quite quickly. If you experience slower speeds, try moving closer to your Android device. Finally, always ensure your mobile data is active for the hotspot to function correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.